coming back here for a second time, it felt like a second home almost. So it's just such a wonderful experience.
We played at Guy's table the first time, and we're from California, and the other players at our table were from Oregon and Nevada, so not too far off, and we stayed in touch. When we decided to get married, we decided, we'll invite him. It'll be fun. We're gonna have a D&D-themed wedding, because that's how we met. It'd be great to just invite that whole campaign together. And not only did all of the other players agree to come out for our wedding, they all pitched in to fly Guy to our wedding. So he ended up signing our marriage certificate as a witness and ran a one-shot for us
As a
with the same
pre-wedding
characters.
gift, yeah.